Okay, so I have these really beautiful pineapple tomatoes that the kids, when they put them in, they put, as you can see, a number of seedlings together. So all I did was I used a suggestion from Sarah, my ex-wife, to scoop it out, and I then put it in just a little water. I washed the soil off, and I'm now going to go ahead and transplant it into my pot right here. Obviously, I have a little bit of soil. I'm a nice soft soil. I'm gonna put it in the center of that. I'm gonna dig it, put it nice and deep. Want to pick it back up. Water it in softly. Might put a little bit more in, and then after I water it in, I'll end up just using this to protect it. So because I've sown a number of seeds in with this, and since this tomato plant's actually a 90-day, and we put the seed in about a week or two ago, and they've already popped and growing, I'm going to put this additional plastic over to help keep the humidity in, poke a little hole right there so that this plant can breathe, and I'm going to allow the seeds to pop while this plant continues to grow. In the next few days, I'll take it all off, take this little plastic piece off, and allow the tomato plant to grow past this plastic piece, and then when the seeds pop underneath it, I'll end up taking this plastic piece off and allowing the rest grow. And you can see here I've covered up the rest to help keep the moisture in the pot versus it escaping. Okay, thank you so much. Hope this was helpful.